All right, guys, 2020 Toyota Sienna. We're gonna change the cabin filter. We got a premium guard good filter. There's the part number right there. My friend here is gonna help me open this package here. So it does have an arrow on it, so you gotta follow the airflow. Okay, there's an airflow arrow here. The camera's not gonna see it, so this filter has to go like that, so the air can go through and clean out. Anyways, meanwhile he's opening that package for me, we're gonna open up right here. Glove box probably got a lot of stuff in it. We'll remove this stuff, put it on the bottom. We're gonna have to pull this, just squeeze on this tabs here, and this guy should come off just like that. And then you're gonna squeeze here, and then you're gonna squeeze on this side. This side is gonna be a little bit tough because only one side is gonna come out, and the other side is gonna give you a tough time. But once it comes down just like that, it's gonna fall down. Arrow here, meaning this cover is facing up. That doesn't mean your filter faces up. You're gonna squeeze this tab, you're gonna squeeze that tab, and let's see if I can get this lid opened up here. There you go. This filter's been there forever. And this filter, someone changed this, but it's wrong. It says up. That doesn't mean the airflow is going down. This means the filter has to face out. So this filter was installed wrong. And if it says airflow, then the arrow's gotta go facing down. But if it says up, that's just the side up and down of the filter. So let's see what our filter says here. It says airflow. So we're gonna have to follow the airflow, which is going down, okay? Because it's gonna collect all the dirt from the top and airflow is gonna go down. So we gotta follow the airflow direction, okay? So this filter is only gonna fit one way. It can't fit that way because it's too wide. It is gonna fit this way, just like that. And remember, airflow is down, but if the filter says up only, that means the filter has to go according to the direction. You take your lid, clicks right in, just like that. Your glove box gotta sit back in it once you're done. And let's pull up the glove box, and it's gonna close itself, okay? Just pull on it just like that. And you take this little guy, stick this right in, and I'm gonna put all the stuff back in there. So the car's got to be off to do this. Anyways, thank you for watching my video, and then once you're done, glove box should come down smooth like that. If it doesn't, that means something's wrong here. Anyways, thank you for watching my video.